Would you like to win 14 GSC Depressed Center flat cars? Hi everyone, I'm Cody with Class1ModelWorks.com, and today we are launching our biggest giveaway ever. We are giving away not one, not two, but 14 GSC Depressed Center flat cars from our second run. This is our biggest giveaway ever. Each one of these cars is unique, and not only that, these have road-specific detail on all of them. So not only are you going to have a beautiful car with fantastic detail, great lettering, painting, each one of these cars has different features, different brake wheels, different trucks, Buckeye trucks, roller bearing trucks, friction bearing trucks, and then we have different deck designs on all the cars. You've got so many cool details on these cars, road-specific, and so it's going to be perfect for someone. So which cars are up for grabs? We're actually giving away all 14 of our GSC Depressed Center flat cars. And of those, you have the chance to win the New York Central, Southern Pacific, Santa Fe, Reading, Penn Central, Delaware and Hudson, Rock Island, Union Pacific, Atlantic Coastline, Wabash, Lehigh Valley, Louisville and Nashville, Central of Georgia, and the St. Louis Southwestern. So that is going to be fantastic for one of you. So how do you enter? Entering is super easy. Go ahead and click the link somewhere around this video, and from there you'll be able to enter the giveaway. We just need your name and email address to enter, and then if you'd actually like to gain multiple entries, we offer a variety of ways to do that to increase your odds of winning. We are super happy with how these second run flat cars turned out. Not only do they look amazing, they're actually built at a brand new factory with way better quality, and these cars are amazing. We'd actually love to know, which car do you like best? Post in the comments which car is your favorite. Now the secret word for this giveaway is brake wheel. So that's all we have for now. If you're still here, head over to Class1ModelWorks.com and enter the giveaway before it's too late. Happy modeling!